Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss a video every Friday. I found this chair curbside in my neighborhood a few weeks ago. I knew this style chair had a special name but couldn't remember, so I did an online search and discovered it's actually called a telephone or gossip chair. There were a couple minor scuffs and it was a bit wobbly, but I love the style and saw lots of potential. So today we're giving someone's trash a modern makeover and saving this from ending up in a landfill. Let's get started. Since this chair design is unique in itself, I'm keeping it neutral. That way it can easily fit into any decor or even styled for different seasons. I'm painting it black to give it a modern look and adding new fabric to the seat. After removing the seat cushions, I refastened all the loose bolts and gave it a good cleaning using a TSP solution. Then scuff sanded, making sure to remove all the sanding dust. I considered leaving the natural wood grain on the top and the front, but the veneer wasn't in the best shape, so I decided against it and stuck with my initial plan to paint it all black. I'm using my go-to black paint, General Finishes Lamp Black. If you watch any of my previous videos, you'll notice anytime I use black, this is what I always use. It's the blackest black and really gives a luxurious finish, especially when I use it in my sprayer. This combo gives a flawless finish every time. I picked up this fabric on my last visit to Hobby Lobby. The existing fabric and cushions were in great shape, so I'm just going to use my new fabric right over it just to freshen it up. The next day, I applied finishing wax to the chair and some Scotch Guard on the fabric. All the products I used today are in the description. Remember the old chair on the curbside? Well, here's the refreshed version, modern and sleek looking. I spent $10 on fabric and used paint I had on hand. My favorite part of this makeover is the wood grain texture showing through. It adds a bit of character and I really love that look. I hope you enjoyed this simple makeover and it inspires you to look at your home and always see the potential. Don't forget to give this video a beautiful thumbs up. Be sure you subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss a video every Friday. Bye for now.